Hey guys, Paul DeBellis. Are you struggling getting leads for your business? What are you doing to market your business to your target market? Are you using video? Let's face it, video outperforms text. People just don't want to read anymore. They'd rather push play and see what your business is about, who you are, and more importantly, what benefit you provide for them. That's what it's about. And with the quality of videos today, guys, man, you can shoot 4K and 8K depending on what phone you have. So in our workshop, we're going to cover, it's a 4-week workshop. Week number 1, we are going to go ahead and cover how to write killer video scripts that convert. We're going to work together. This is a hands-on workshop, so keep that in mind. Week number 2, we are going to go ahead and shoot the videos with your phone. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of your phone, some of the hidden gems in your phone that you're not aware of, and some of the external components that you can purchase to be able to enhance the quality of your videos. Week number 3, we're going to go ahead and edit those videos. I'm going to go ahead and show you what edit software you can use. It's free, and you can put it on your mobile phone, and you can also put it on your desktop if you want to go ahead and edit that way. We're going to go ahead and edit that together. In week number 4, we are going to go ahead and upload those videos to your YouTube channel, and then we're going to optimize them for title, description, and keyword tags. And then we're going to go ahead and market from your YouTube channel to other social media sources and beyond. So if you're truly serious and you want to reach your target market with videos, then go ahead and join our course today. It's a 4-week workshop, guys. It's hands-on, and I can only take so many people. So we are limited for space. So first come, first serve. So go ahead and sign up today, and I will see you guys on the inside.